Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? If you are new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weav, and here on my channel, we coach you through 3 important areas of your life. First, on your personal growth and development. Second, we continue on pushing you towards professional success as you continue to grow in your careers in business and entrepreneurship. Third, we always help you to build, maintain, and nurture long-lasting and more meaningful relationships. Today we talk about what steps need to be taken when you feel like your relationship is falling apart. Now you know how I am. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. If you feel like your relationship is falling apart, remember this. You have 2 choices. You can either focus on what's tearing you apart, or you can focus on what's holding you together. Don't be fooled by what you see on TV, by what people post on a social media account. A relationship always differs from what people want publicized. Why would someone ever want to show you a toxic or unhappy moment in their relationship? Why would they ever want to make you think that things are going horribly wrong? That's not how we are built as human beings. The easiest part of what we do in life is involving our relationship is pick and choose what we want to show and what we actually want people to know. Because we all know that all long relationships take a monumental effort to keep together, to keep things fresh, to keep them from cratering under the pressure of everyday life. I know it sounds great when people post or say that your love should just be effortless, but that couldn't be the furthest from the truth. When you have work, school, kids, family obligations, a side business, friends, and a whole host of other responsibilities, and you have a relationship or a marriage, you damn right things are not always going to be easy. You know why, right? Because life can cause you stress. Life can cost you money. Life can just be unpredictable as hell as to what you're going to wake up to tomorrow. So don't think that because you have work to do on the love you share with your partner, that puts you in some small class of people who aren't doing the same thing behind the scenes. Because a relationship is just like having a whole other career. It's a process of that partnership to take the ups and the downs, the good with the bad, to smile in the face of your failures. But to get back up and make it better the next day, that's a part of the process. And as your love with your partner grows, you will have things that you disagree on. There will be trials and tribulations. That's normal. And if you thought any differently, I don't mean to disappoint you, but that's reality. When you are both focused on improving and growing and taking care of the daily business of being you, it can cause a little bit of a rift between the two of you, sometimes unconsciously. So if you feel like your relationship is falling apart, there are a few things I want you to think about. The first is the most important, and that is, are you being honest with yourself and your partner about how you are feeling about it? The unfortunate part about long-term relationships is that people sometimes assume that because they have been with their partner for so long, that they should just know that something is wrong, that you're frustrated by how you're acting towards them, that they have been with you long enough and that's why they should just figure it out. But that's where your relationship is failing, due in part to lack of communication and transparency around the issues you're having. Your partner could be absolutely clueless that something is wrong. They could be neglecting the problem because they don't know that there's a damn problem in the first place. Meanwhile, you're letting it simmer and not communicating your feelings about what's actually going on. Whether it's infidelity that you forgave, not spending enough time with each other, not enough intimacy, not enough appreciation being felt on your behalf, you can't fix a broken relationship without both of you acknowledging and addressing that there are problems that you are both committed to working on together. The second thing I want you to think about is, are you past the point of working on things? I see a lot of hanging on when I do coaching sessions. Wait, what you mean by hanging on, Weav? I mean that I see people trying to fix the repeatedly broken relationship that has caused multiple breakups in the past. They are hanging on to that feeling that does not exist anymore. And I know this is a tough pill for a lot of people to swallow, to accept that you may be trying to force something to be something that it's not. That you're trying to fix a broken person, that you're putting in all of this effort in something, but in all honesty, you're watering a dead plant right now, trying to revive it back to life. See, you know that the writing is on the wall. You've addressed the issue a ton of times with your partner. And the thing might be good for a couple weeks or months, but then right back to the same shit, different day, right? So you have to make sure that the choices you make in regards to fixing that relationship isn't some fantasy that you made up in your head because you want for it to work out. So do yourself this favor today. Make it your priority to deeply think about why your relationship is failing. Why is it falling apart? Is it them? Is it you? Is your perception your reality? Do you need to do better yourself? Or do you need to do better by yourself? Nah, it won't be easy. If you stay and fix things, it's gonna take work. But don't half-ass your way through your issues. But also make sure that your partner or your spouse is in on this too. That they are bought into this process that you guys are gonna take on this journey together. And take your time on this marathon. Pace yourself and brace yourself for unexpected bumps in the road. But make sure that on this trip that you don't run out of gas and start running on fumes. Because if you both wind up on the side of the road broken down, you might get left in the place that neither of you belong. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If no one has told you this already today, I appreciate you. If you found some value in the video today, make sure you like, comment, and share it as well. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom and become an official part of the team. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.